for about 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. Pretty good sized rope on the ground. You can see it going all the way up into the cloud here. There's the funnel we originally saw.
Send that to the TV station.
Oh man. Hopefully it's dissipating. It looks like it's losing strength.
That's what it did last time. See, look at that center. See those center lines?
Yeah. Hopefully it's
The bottom of those clouds.
that's a pretty good sized deal.
Why are they laughing? It's not funny. No, they're crying. They're saying it's a tornado.
Yeah, they're being retarded. Good. It looks like it's fading.
Yes.
It could just be that it's not sucking up anything right now.
I saw something. I saw something fall from it. Yeah. See, my eyesights are really funny. When I look into lights, it gives me very good seeing power. So I just saw something. Two things fall from the tornado.
Looks like it's still on the ground. Might be. I still see the rope in the sky. I can't tell. There's still debris going up.
It's disappearing down. That's a bit really good.
There it is. Just hit the ground.
I see the air going like that. It's attaching. Not good. Not very good.
Nobody sees anything else over here?
Hey, I see a police.
Don't you touch my camera. It's paid off. And it only has liability on it because that's all they'll cover.
It's still kind of.
Don't.
Looks like it's. Okay. I
Carl,
think it's.
it's old.
It might be just about gone.
Hey, Michael. Whoa. He's speeding. Oh my gosh. He's going way too fast.
Yeah, he is.
Maybe he's in the